So here we have evaluations and comparisons. So let's start out with the first one. Evaluations with adjectives. Okay, so you're going to make the evaluation with an adjective. So let's go for an example. Houses aren't big enough for families. So you can see here, where is the adjective? The adjective here is big. So for example, let's go again. Apartments are too small for animals. So here, where's the adjective? Here the adjective is small. Okay? So apartments are too big for animals. It can be whatever you want, but you're making the evaluation with the adjective. Now, if you continue to see, you can see here that evaluations with nouns. You can make evaluations with nouns as well. So for example, houses don't have enough parking spaces. So here is the noun, parking spaces. Okay? We also have here, apartments cost too much money. Again, the noun at the end of the sentence. Now, we can make comparisons with adjectives. To make a comparison with an adjective, you're going to put the adjective in between as and as. So for example, apartments aren't as convenient as houses. Or apartments are just as convenient as houses. You're going to use just as if it's something that is positive, if it is that. You won't use just if it is something negative. Okay? So for example, here, apartments aren't as convenient as houses. But however, if it's something positive, then you will use it. So, as you can see in this example, apartments are just as convenient as houses. So that's the difference, a little hint for you. We also have here comparisons with nouns. Okay? So you're going to use it to compare a noun. For example, houses have just as many bathrooms as apartments. If it is something that you can count, you're going to use many. If it is not something you can count, then you are going to use much, because you cannot count privacy, and that is why you use much. So houses have just as much privacy as apartments. So you're going to put the noun in between just as many or just as much and as. You're going to put it in between there. Okay? So give it a shot.
Today I'm going to teach you how to make a wish about the present or the future. First, we must follow this formula. Subject plus wish or wishes plus subject again plus past tense of the verb. For example, I wish I spoke English fluently. This means that I don't speak English fluently, but I hope to in the future. Another example, I wish I had a big house, or I wish he knew how to play the piano. Notice the subject can change and the verb is in the past tense. Let's look at an example. Here, the girl uses the word spoke, the past tense of speak. The man replies using could, the past tense of can. Remember that could is a modal verb, so it's always followed by a base verb. In this example, the girl uses the word wrote, or the past tense of write. And in our last example, the boy uses the word had, or the past tense of have.